Hello students, relax, sit back and listen to a math class. In today's class, we are going to do a problem based on probability. The question is, what is the probability that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Saturdays? So, in a leap year, there will be 366 days. In 366 days, there will be 52 full weeks. That is 52 weeks means each week will have 7 days. So in these 52 weeks you will get Saturdays and there will be extra 2 days. So if you are finding the probability from these 2 days, you will get the answer. So these 2 days may be a Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So first step is you have to write a sample space. Let S be a sample space. S equal to, this is our sample space. Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. So, let us consider this event of finding the 53 Saturdays as E. So, probability of E equal to, here you got 52 Saturdays. So, leave this. In these 2 days, first of all, here total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. Here number of favorable outcomes. So total number of possible outcomes. How many outcomes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Saturday, Sunday, again Sunday, Monday. Sunday, Monday. So it will continue, no? Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Again Saturday, Monday also there is a possibility, no? So Sunday, Monday. Also there is a possibility. So total number of possible outcome is 7. In this, we have to calculate the Saturdays. So how many Saturdays are there? Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. 2 Saturdays are there. So probability of this event is 2 by 7. So probability of getting 53 Saturdays is 2 by 7. In this question, Savita and Hamita are friends. What is the probability that they both will have different birthdays, same birthday? We have to ignore the leap year. So there will be 365 days. First question is different birthday. Different birthday. Different birthday. We can assume E. E be the event of getting different birthday. That is, Savita's birthday is different from Hamita and Hamita's birthday is different from Savita. Okay. So, for that first we have to find the total number of possible outcomes. Total number of possible outcomes. And next we will find the number of favorable outcomes. Favorable. So first you will find the total number of possible outcomes. Next you will find the number of favorable outcomes. So here total number of possible outcomes is 365 days. So in 365 days, they can get 1 day as their birthday. And here the question is different birthdays. So if I am assuming Savita's birthday is on Jan 2nd, then Hamita's birthday won't be on Jan 2nd. It is any other day on the rest of the days. So 3 into 365 days, 1 day has been gone. So 364. So here for different birthday, the favorable outcome is 364. 364. So P of E equal to 364 by 365. This is a probability for different birthday. So concept is Savita birthday is different from Hamita, or Hamita birthday is different from Savita. So they are different birthdays. So if you are taking one day in 365 days, one day as their birthday, as Savita's birthday or Hamita's birthday, then in any of the rest of the days, the other one's birthday will be there. So in 365 days, one day has been gone. So 364, answer is 364 by 365. Second question, second one, the same day, the same birthday. So if Jan 2nd Savita's birthday means on the same day itself Hamita's birthday too. So here you can use the concept of complementary events. As we know, complementary events means P of E plus P of E dash equal to 1. Here this P of E dash is a complementary event. So complementary event equal to 1 minus P of E. P of E is the event and complementary event means the event opposite to that event. So first event is different birthday. The event opposite to the different birthday is same birthday. So here you can use the complementary event concept and you can find the answer for the same birthday. So P of E has been given as 364 minus 364 by 365. So 1 minus 364 by 365 because this is complementary event and this event is opposite to this, or this event is opposite to this. These two are opposite event. So here this is same different birthday and this is same birthday. So you can find the same birthday by using the different birthday. So I am subtracting 365 minus 364 by 365, making 1 by 365. So P of E dash 1 by 365 is the probability of getting the same birthday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.